Hello to all the people in the energy efficiency Facebook groups that I'm in. Here's my sliding door, timber sliding door in my house in Australia. It's got the seals on it that are made of like the fiber type things. Uh, you could actually feel wind coming in through the seals in the door. They're a terrible door to try and seal. And also you can hear like all the birds tweeting outside when the door is shut, and the rest of the house, it's all double glazed. So generally, and all the windows have seals on them. So generally it's fairly soundproof as well. So it's pretty obvious there's something going on here. So what I found was that which I've been aware of for a long time, I'll open the door slightly here so you can see, if I wiggle the door around, you can see how much the door is not against the seals, and that's the little fibers, or like, I don't know what you would call them, little fiber seals there. So yeah, the door sort of wouldn't rattle around when it was shut, but it isn't up against the seals. And what I did, I've made it so as now when you shut the door fully, it'll push in further and push in hard against the seals. So now when you push it, it's quite solid. And how I did that was out here. I bought some of these little rollers that are meant for supporting a sliding door from Bunnings. They got a little axle and a nut on the top, and I 3D printed a little block, and I just attached some double-sided tape in here. So just put them in there and pressed them up against the, actually the double-sided tape is on this side, and just pressed it up against there. And then I 3D printed some little ramps. And the good thing is with a 3D printer, you can adjust them. So if it needs to be like a millimetre or two bigger or smaller, you can just print another one till you get it right. But I measured them first with the door shut with some vernier calipers, and then sort of made some little ramps. So when the door shuts now, it just pushes the door slightly closed. So there's one on the front, one on the back there. So yeah, sorry about the dodgy video, but yeah, when it comes along, and now that last little bit, it just pushes the door shut against the seals. It's made a massive difference to it. And yeah, now there's no air coming into the house. Okay, thank you, bye.